How to survive if there's no washing machine in your flat. It's not the end of the world if there's no washing machine in your flat. Let's take a look at some of the ways you can do your laundry without a washing machine. Option 1. Find a launderette. One of the easiest ways to clean your clothes when you don't have a washing machine in your flat is to find a launderette. Launderettes can be found up and down the UK, and they're very straightforward to use. All you need to do is find your local launderette through an online search, take your clothes over to an empty and working machine in the shop, add your detergent and coins, and your clothes will be washed. Option 2. Use an outdoor self-service laundry service. A less common option is an outdoor self-service laundry service like Revolution Laundry, who have over 600 automatic laundromats around the UK. These laundry services are similar to laundrettes but are found outside, typically placed near supermarkets and petrol stations. Option 3. Wash your clothes by hand at home. Another option is to wash your laundry by hand in your flat. Washing clothes by hand is really simple. However, it is likely to be a time-consuming process, so you might be better off cleaning your clothes a little and often. To wash your clothes by hand, just separate your clothes by colour, go to the sink or bathtub, treat any stains on your clothes, then submerge the items you want to wash in lukewarm water. All you need to do then is add the detergent of your choice and gently agitate the clothes over and over. Option 4. Invest in a small portable washing machine. If you don't have room to buy a new washing machine for your flat, but you would like your own washing appliance at home, you could buy a little portable washing machine. Option 5. Rent a washing machine. If you'd like to have a washing machine at home, but you just don't want to pay any upfront monthly or repair costs, you could rent out a washing machine for your flat. Renting a washing machine is a fairly straightforward process. All you need to do is do an online search for appliance rentals in your area, choose a reputable company, and then agree to rent a washing machine for a set period of time. Option 6. Use a professional laundry service. This option is very convenient for those of you with busy schedules. These professionals can come to collect your dirty laundry and bring it back to you when it's clean. They may even iron your laundry too. Of course, this type of laundry service is not the cheapest option on this list, but it can make your life much easier. And option 7. Ask to use someone else's washing machine. It's not uncommon for people to take their dirty clothes home to a parent's house at the weekend, for example. If this is something you can do, it might be a good option. It could save you a lot of time and money in the long run too. I hope this has convinced you that you can survive even if there's no washing machine in your flat. For more laundry tips and advice, check out our website at inthewash.co.uk. Thanks for watching.